So underneath all of our worries about careers and jobs and retirement, our purpose really comes down to living fully, to being a light with who we are beneath all those names and titles that we are given or that we aspire to. So good morning, happy Monday, a little food for thought, just something to sit on about comparison. Official good morning everybody. It is 7:15 and it is time for meditation. So my meditation these days is a combination of things. As I mentioned in one of my last videos, I've been trying to find a routine that works for me, and this one has been going well. So for my meditation, I've been doing a combination of things. There's this awesome app called Headspace. So they have like a ton of different little tasks you can do, and honestly, like, this to me is a little bit overwhelming, but I will do the 1 minute of deep breathing. So I'll do that to kick off my meditation, and then after I do that, I will do about 12 minutes of affirmations. It's quiet. I literally have my headphones in. I treat it like a meditation. I have my crystals here. I'm sitting quietly. I'm saying each thing in my head or aloud. I think I mentioned this in a previous video, so I'm going to quickly just skate over it here. I'm growing and changing every single day, which is something I'm grateful for and I'm so incredibly proud of. But as that occurs day after day, the things that used to work for me, you know, in regards to meditation and routines, those things are changing. So it's taken kind of a while for me to find something that works for me, and now I'm looking back and I'm like, I've actually been like out of it, like a solid routine for a while now, and I didn't realize like what was happening, and then I realized like I'm evolving, and that's why doing the same things I've always done are no longer effective. So I am strong, I am energetic, I am powerful, I am loved, I am wealthy.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed, take me there. We can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life. Can't remain.
Like, so grown in. How grown in everything is. It's insane. It's been a while since I've brought you guys on a walk, but if you follow me on Instagram, then you've seen this on my stories. But I just love seeing the earth come alive again and watching everything grow in. And the birds, they just sing every morning. It's a symphony that's quite unmatched.
Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. Listen to the midnight radio.
Alrighty gang, so I wasn't able to film my workout today because the gym was a little bit too busy and I was feeling shy, but here are some clips that I was able to get yesterday from the gym when it was less busy.
No drip, just tell 'em run it on. No sleep, no rest. Might crack crash, might wreck. But first I stretch, time to run it off. I wake up, flex, thumb down, now check. No drip, this time to run it off. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch, time to run it off. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number 1 up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down, now check. No drip, this time to run it off. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch, time to run it off. I wake up, flex, thumb down, now check. No drip, this time to run it off. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch, time to run it off. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe.
Great workout. Protein shake of choice today is this Fairlife protein drink. You guys have heard me talk about these a bajillion times. They recently came back in stock at my Costco, so my sister grabbed this flavor and the chocolate flavor, but I love the salted caramel flavor. 30 grams of protein, 150 calories. Here are like nutrition facts. I'm going to go ahead and take a shower and get dressed and ready for the day. So
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but
alrighty gang, so it's post shower. I'm mostly ready for the day. I just have on this really simple bodycon dress with a sweater. Well, I'm dressed for the day, but I want to put a little bit of makeup on, like a tiny bit, just to share with you guys some products I got sent by Merit Beauty. This is a true everyday look. I don't wear this every day. I wear this maybe 2 to 3 times a week, but this to me is a true everyday look as someone who doesn't wear a lot of makeup. Often we'll see a lot of like people post everyday makeup looks and it's like 20 products that they're applying, which is their prerogative, but for me every day just needs to be a little bit less. It's always your skin but better, and that's just my whole scope of everyday makeup. I will have everything linked below. First thing I'm gonna put on my face is this complexion rescue. This is by Bare Minerals, you guys. I've used this for years now. It is a tinted hydrating gel cream. It is 30 SPF and I am the color chestnut. I love this because it's very lightweight, you guys, and it's very sheer. It's gonna give you very minimal coverage. I kind of just put it all over my face and then rub it in with my fingers. I forgot to bring a mirror, so I actually think I put way too much. This is what happens when you don't have a mirror, but I love it because it is 30 SPF, and this is also just gonna give me just a little bit more of a flawless finish. I think the best base for any makeup is like skincare, making sure you're taking care of your skin, and obviously that varies per person. I'm very blessed when it comes to the genetics of that, but regardless, I'm just gonna put this all over my skin, and like I said, this is 30 SPF, and it just gives me like a nice shine. God, I literally can't tell if this is even. I really hope that it is. When it comes to wearing makeup, you guys, like there's mediocre and then there's me like below that. Like
there's rocks, there's whale poo, and then there's you.
I'm so amateur at it. I'm not sure I recommend taking legitimate makeup advice from me. I'm just gonna literally just brush my brows into place. I'm not gonna apply any brow anything. I'm just going to make sure that they're in place. If you have like a brow gel, that's actually probably something I would recommend for like an everyday look, kind of as a way to keep your brows in place. So what I love about Merit Beauty is they actually sent me these products, and you get like this free bag, which is cute, but I'm not gonna lie, the bag kind of confuses me. What am I doing with this? I mean, you could tie it, I guess, and like do it, which is kind of cute, but like I just don't know realistically what I would ever use this bag for. But it is like this velvety texture, kind of looks like corduroys, and it's this beautiful like burnt yellow color. It's nice that it's free. It ships free with your first order, and the first products, I have used these a handful of times because I wanted to like be able to
accurately say like how I like the product. So this is called the Flush Balm. This is the box. I do love the color of the packaging. This is what the blush looks like. You just literally swipe this onto your cheeks and blend with your fingers, which is what I like, you guys. Easy is what I like. Kind of just swipe, and I just like to put like a tiny bit on my nose, and then just literally just flush it out. And it just gives you like a nice little natural flush. And the second product that they sent me is actually their Day Glow, which is a highlighting balm. You guys, when I say highlighter is like Greek to me, like I really am just below amateur right when it comes to this, for real. So I've been trying to figure out how to use this. I watched a video or two. Layer on last over cheek and brow bones, or as a prep step on bare skin for an all over glow. So that's literally all I do with this, you guys. It's very subtle, which is again like what I'm going for. I love that this stuff comes with instructions, because I feel like there's a misconception that like we all know how to just use makeup and it's just the furthest thing from the truth. So this is very thick. Well, it feels very thick. I don't know if this is like normal for a highlighter, but and then this just comes off, and this is what the tip looks like. I believe this is technically rose gold one. What I do to apply this one, you guys, I literally put it on the tip of my nose, Cupid's bow. I've seen people like apply it right in here, so I normally just do like that. And then, you guys, this is just like, I'm so sorry, I'm so mediocre at this. This, and then of course I wish I had a mirror. God, there's so many things wrong with this right now. And then I would just literally use my fingers to just kind of blend it all in. I hope this looks like worth something. I'm gonna have to hit my mirror. Hold on. We are back. So I think it looks pretty good. Let me just blend it a bit more. The lighting isn't the best in my room in the mornings. I feel like I need to apply more product. I can barely see it. I'm just gonna put a little bit more on my brows. You guys, feel free to roast me in the comments about my makeup application skills, because I just cannot be bothered half the time. I think sometimes I apply it here. The high points of your face is the word on the street on how to apply it. What I will say is my makeup skills are not a reflection of the quality of these products. I do really like them, and I like just how subtle and minimalistic they are, and that's like a huge part of the brand. And this is, oh my god, it's on my lips. You can see the highlighter. Hopefully it doesn't look horrific. I just love how minimalist it is, how easy it is to apply, and having something that's easy to apply, quick to grab, and plus it comes with a cute, confusing bag. Free shipping is over $40 after your first order. So my link will be down in the description box if you guys want to check out Merit Beauty. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Merit Beauty, for sending me these incredible products. I hope that you enjoyed my below mediocre application of makeup. It's 11:25 right now. I spent some time chatting with my sister. She went to go pick us up some coffee, so I'm going to make breakfast because I'm hungry.
Always make you smile, always make you smile.